Here we have our GDS-400 and its smaller version, the GDS-200. What differentiates these two models the most is the 400 has a 95 gallon per minute flow rate, so it's optimal for applications from 100 gallons to 1,000 gallons. And the GDS-200 has a 50 GPM flow rate, so it's best for applications of 50 gallons up to 500 gallons. It's not to say that either couldn't go above their limits, but that would then require altering of the circulation times that are involved. The primary differences in these pumps are the flow rates, but the smaller GDS-200 has the freshwater flush mechanism. Any questions on either of these units, please reach out to Goodway and we're happy to help you out.